Okay, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko tinimpla itong aking breast chicken. Yeah, I tried to slice it as thin as possible. Alam mo yung tipong nilapag mo yung palad mo, tapos mararamdaman mo yung kutsilyong dumadaan sa ilalim ng palad mo. Ganun. Ayun na nga, nilagyan ko na ng lemon, Greek yogurt, zero fat yan. Mga 3 spoons lang, paprika, lemon pepper, garlic salt, hoisin sauce, onion, minced garlic, at sesame oil. O, diba? Siyempre si black pepper din. O, ayan, kinamay ko na. Don't worry kasi nag-wash naman ako ng hand ko. Tatakpan lang natin, put it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, and it's ready to cook. I usually cook it in the air fryer. Sa nipis niyan, girl, you can cook it in less than 15 minutes. That's it!